All right, this is the 2022 Formula SAE internal combustion overview PowerPoint. So, to start off with, we had to have a car that complied to all FSAE 2022 rules. Car needed to be finished manufacturing this semester and start testing, and need to start following the test plan in order to gather data and develop the car in order to be ready by competition. So some of the goals were finish the top 50 at competition, lock all four wheels, design a strong and structural chassis that meets rules, build a wiring harness that collects important telemetry data and provides data for future teams to help grow from, and design build a 40-60 weight distribution car, and produce greater than stock power with the rules compliant 20mm restrictor. For the design and manufacturing, this semester was mostly putting the polishing touches on a lot of things. A lot of the manufacturing was completed last semester. But the main things that got done were brakes and ergonomics got the seat located in a way that was rules compliant and that fit the 95th percentile male and 5th percentile female. The car was sent to Brown & Miller Racing Solutions to get plumbed for its brakes, its fuel system, and its radiator system. The chassis had a few small tabs to be welded on in areas in order to be finalized, but was overall complete. Electronics had to build the overall engine harness, chassis harness, dash harness, and data collection harness this semester. And the powertrain team needed to finalize the plenum design and exhaust systems, as well as work with electronics to do the finite tuning on the instrumentation of the car as well as the pneumatic shifting. For vehicle dynamics, an overall suspension setup was needed to be done, and just a monitoring of the components and their working parameters. So a preliminary scaling of the car actually showed that we achieved a better than weight distribution than what we initially designed for. We actually got a 50-50 weight distribution versus 40-60, which is what we expected. For competition goals, we wanted to finish basically in the top 50% for all the events. So this is the acceleration, the autocross, and the endurance, the braking, and the skid pad tests. So if we finished in the top 50% of this, we would have made our goals. For testing, we wanted to basically get a baseline done on the car, so get a good dial tune in on the shifting and throttle response, and then once that's done, move into dynamic events in order to set up the car. Once we got this done, we can use that data to then improve on the car in Motec i2 to see where the car can be improved. And once that's all done, we head off to competition. We're good to go. So a few thank yous to Dr. Uden and Professor Mentor Spencer Nichols and all the 49ers racing team and our sponsors.